Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the mobile view on your Wix website using the editor. Let's begin. First, open the Wix editor for your site. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice your site is displayed in desktop view by default. To switch to mobile view, look for the mobile icon in the top right corner of the editor. It's a small phone-shaped icon. Click on it, and this will change the view to show how your site looks on mobile devices. Now that you're in mobile view, you can interact with the layout and make necessary adjustments. You can move, resize, or hide elements to ensure your site looks clean and functions properly on mobile devices. To adjust an element, click on it and you'll see options to edit or reposition it. Drag and drop it to your preferred location or adjust its size using the handles. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll find a menu. In this menu, look for an option called Hidden on Mobile. Click on it to see any elements that are currently hidden in the mobile view. For example, a strip or a section that is not visible on mobile but appears on desktop. If you want any of these elements to appear in the mobile view, select them and toggle their visibility back on. You can also customize text sizes, button alignments, and image placements specifically for mobile users. To edit the properties of an element, simply select it and use the available customization options such as fonts, colors, and spacing. Wix allows these changes to apply only to the mobile view, so your desktop layout remains unaffected. If you notice that some elements overlap or are misaligned, take your time to rearrange them. Use the grid lines and alignment tools provided by Wix to ensure everything looks balanced. Preview your changes frequently by clicking the Preview button at the top of the editor. Switch between desktop and mobile previews to confirm your edits work seamlessly across devices. Once you're satisfied with the mobile view, click the Publish button at the top right of the editor to save your changes and make them live on your site. That's how you can fix and optimize the mobile view of your Wix website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, Divi.